Have you ever wondered how to transform your living room into a modern oasis that balances functionality with style? Whether you're craving a cozy family retreat or seeking inspiration for a chic apartment space, join me as we uncover the secrets to creating a dreamy, modern living room that reflects your unique personality and lifestyle. Are you ready to unlock the potential of your living space? Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore 10 captivating ideas that will breathe new life into your living space. From embracing minimalistic elegance to infusing vibrant bohemian vibes, there's something for every taste and style. Let's dive in together. Let's start with the timeless concept of minimalism. By embracing clean lines and a uniform color scheme, you create an uncluttered space that exudes a sense of calm and serenity. But don't be afraid to add an accent piece for a bold touch that reflects your personality. Next up, we have the modern bohemian decor, encourages you to experiment with colors, textures, and ethnic weaves in your living room. Create a vibrant and eclectic space that reflects your unique style and personality. Embrace the free-spirited essence of bohemian design with a mix of patterns, hues, and cultural influences. Transform your living room into a captivating haven of creativity and self-expression. Mid-century modernism with eclectic vibes blends plush furniture, wide seats, broad headboards, and poufs for a luxurious yet eclectic ambience. Embrace the elegance of mid-century design while infusing your space with a mix of textures and styles. Create a living room that exudes sophistication and comfort, offering a cozy retreat with a touch of retro charm. Seeking peace and serenity in your living room, look no further than a modern design with a monochromatic white and gray color scheme. Add textured accents and natural elements like wood and greenery to create a tranquil ambiance that soothes the soul. Dreaming of coastal vibes in the heart of your home? With soft blue tones, natural wood accents, and clean lines in furniture, you can create a modern coastal oasis that brings the serenity of the sea to your living room. Don't let vertical space go to waste. Utilize striking shelves to showcase collectibles and infuse color into your interior. From treasured mementos to decorative pieces, sky-high shelving adds visual interest and personality to your living room. Ready to add a touch of luxury to your living space? Design an elegant room with a statement chandelier, luxurious furniture like a blue velvet sofa, and marble coffee tables. Elevate the ambiance with glamorous accents that exude sophistication and style. Let your living room shine with a touch of extravagance, creating a space worthy of admiration and awe. Maximize vertical space with floor-to-ceiling windows and a striking two-story fireplace. Let natural light flood in and create a dramatic focal point that transforms your living room into a modern sanctuary. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere with deep green walls, gold accents, and a mix of textures. The timeless combination of green and gold adds warmth and elegance to your modern living space, inviting you to relax and unwind. Mix modern and vintage invites you to blend contemporary and classic elements for a balanced and stylish living room. Pair a sleek sofa with retro leather armchairs to create a harmonious contrast. Embrace the charm of vintage pieces while incorporating modern touches, resulting in a space that exudes character and sophistication. Let your living room tell a story of timeless elegance and personal style. With that said, thanks for joining us on this journey through modern living room design. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to elevate your space. Until next time, keep creating beauty and comfort in your home. Thanks for watching. Happy decorating.